In this video, I'll provide 6 simple tips for effective meditation, suitable for both beginners and those with experience. If you're looking for something to deepen your meditation quickly, these tips will guide you through the process. And be patient as we go through each step. And the 6th tip will be especially valuable for those wanting to deepen their meditation experience. Let's begin with step 1. Find a quiet, distraction-free space and sit comfortably. You don't need to adopt a specific yogic posture. Choose a posture that feels natural and comfortable for you. And lying down is okay too if you're the type that doesn't fall asleep easily. Sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on a cushion on the floor works well. We begin with a relaxed, comfortable, and alert posture. Moving on to step 2, letting go of expectations. Before sitting in meditation, release all beliefs and expectations about what meditation should look like or what meditation should achieve for you. Approach each session without preconceived notions or desired outcomes. Treat meditation not as a means to an end, but rather as a practice in itself. By letting go of attachment and fully immersing yourself in the present moment, meditation can reveal its true benefits. Letting go of any expectations, allowing each meditation experience to unfold naturally. Now on to step 3. It's kind of a mini body scan. Relax your muscles and just quickly scan your body for tension. Identify and release any areas of tension, whether that's in your face or your shoulders, your back, or anywhere. So this brief body scan allows the body to relax naturally. Remember, you're not trying to relax the body. Rather, you're simply bringing attention to areas in the body that feel tense. And just the attention itself allows the body to relax, release tension naturally. In step 4, we maintain our focus of attention. This is a crucial step. As you proceed with meditation, it's helpful to have an anchor or home base that you hold in awareness in the background. There are any number of anchors, but I recommend either the breath, sounds, or sensations in the body. You can choose one anchor or switch between them during the meditation. The purpose of an anchor is to bring you back to the present moment when you get carried away by thoughts. And this happens a lot, as you'll see. When you notice that your mind has wandered, bring your attention back to the anchor in a gentle and compassionate way. It's important that there's no self-judgment or frustration in this. In meditation, we aim to train attention. Previously, our attention wandered uncontrollably all over the place, most often caught up in thoughts. Now we redirect that attention to breath, body, or sounds, anchoring it in the present moment. This practice of maintaining focus is very fundamental to meditation. Now, moving on to step 5, disengage. Whenever you notice that you've drifted into thought, refrain from fighting with the thoughts, trying to stop them or eliminating them. Instead, just simply disengage by gently redirecting your attention back to the anchor, the breath, body, or sounds. Avoid engaging in the thoughts. We're just kind of letting them pass like clouds in the sky. In disengaging, you shift your focus to what you intend to concentrate on, building your ability to maintain attention. And initially, you'll find that these periods of focus may be brief, But with practice, you'll enhance your capacity to sustain attention in this way for longer durations. This training of attention is a valuable tool applicable to so many aspects of life. It empowers you to transform your life. Finally, let's explore the sixth tip: recognize. As you continue to practice meditation, there'll be periods when there's very little thoughts. You start recognizing that there's a gap between thoughts. In those moments, see what's there. When your attention is fully engaged with the breath, body, or sounds, thoughts might temporarily subside. And in those brief intervals, notice what remains. Notice, and you'll see a sense of presence or awareness, a stillness that's always and already there. There's a noticeable gap between thoughts. Begin investigating this, not as a thought, but as an insight. As thoughts momentarily cease, you'll recognize this persistent sense of presence or spaciousness. And this recognition goes way beyond an intellectual understanding. It's an experiential sensing that emerges during those gaps between thoughts. Initially, you may want to avoid investigating into this aspect, into the sixth step in the early stages of meditation, as it can lead to more confusion and just more thinking. Focus primarily on disengaging from thoughts and maintaining our attention on the anchor. As you progress and the gaps between thoughts appear more often or get longer, investigate into what persists in these moments. Without, again, seeking an intellectual answer, we're simply recognizing and staying with this sense. Let it unfold naturally without wanting or waiting for a response. And when thoughts arise again, we simply return to the sense of presence or one of the anchors. So this introspective practice enhances our understanding of true self, of reality. So try, if you can, to commit to this practice daily. For I'd say between 20 and 35 minutes. For true beginners, focusing on the first 5 tips is enough. However, if you're ready for a deeper practice, incorporate the 6th tip. Remember, meditation is central to awakening. It opens perspectives that we can't conceive with the mind. Start now, after watching this video, and make meditation a vital part of your daily routine. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe for more videos. Your comments are welcome for future topics. Commit to the practice, and you'll witness transformative results.